Eclectic Designs by Catherine presents How to make these sparkly snowman earrings. Here are the materials that you would need. I will have everything linked in the description box below as well. 2 12mm crystal encrusted beads, 2 10mm crystal encrusted beads, 2 silver seed beads, 2 2-inch head pins, 2 ear wires with mirror beads, round nose pliers, wire cutters, flat nose or long nose pliers, scissors, and a red ribbon. Here's how to make the earrings. Slide a silver bead on a head pin. Then slide on a 12mm bead. The little silver bead works as a stopper so the larger bead won't fall off. Then slide on a 10mm bead. Now form a wrapped loop. To do this, first bend the wire pretty close to the beads using a flat nose or long nose pliers. It should look something like this. Then, using your round nose pliers, form a loop. You can use your fingers to help you along. Then, using your fingers or another pair of pliers, wrap the excess wire around the head pin as neatly as possible. I first do it with my fingers, then I switch hands and then finish it off with another pair of pliers. Trim away any excess wire. Then pinch the wire end in so it's not poking out. Take your ribbon and prepare a piece that will fit around the snowman's neck. Time to dress up Frosty! Okay, wrap the ribbon around the middle of the 2 beads and tie 2 knots. Make sure the knots are really tight and secure. Trim the ribbon to your liking. You may want to apply some fray check or dab a little nail polish at the ribbon ends to stop it from fraying. However, I like that look, so I left it. Repeat all the steps for a second earring. Thumbs up if you like Frosty the Snowman! Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Also, check me out on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Be sure to check out all my other holiday and winter-themed jewelry tutorials by clicking below.